Okie dokie, I got another thing coming. The refund thing I'm trying to get on AliExpress. Apparently they're waiting for the seller to organise a return label. I'm going to assume they're going to email it to me. But I'm going to find somewhere to print it out because I don't have a printer. So I'm probably going to have to go somewhere like, ooh, hello. Go somewhere like the library when they're open. Are they open anymore? And get them to print it out, if they will. And then attach it to the original packaging. I'll just stick a label on the outside and tape it up, and hopefully that should be able to send it back. Then I should be able to get a refund or store credit for that. But this is the Fire Strike. That is, I do like the packaging. They always use the bubble wrap stuff, and it's nice. Right, so we have, because I had the, ooh, there's little loose bits I don't want to lose. Right, I've got no idea what those things. It's like a rubber seal. Okay. Right, there we go. That wasn't done up tight. All right. See, this is what I bought before. Just that one piece. And it works great. I've used it. And that was all I got. And it was, I can't remember how much it was, just for that piece. But if you click on the other options, you can buy the entire thing, which looks like this. And what you do, I'm guessing here, is, yeah, come back here. Right, that, I'm assuming you screw in somewhere, or attached to something. I do the investigation, so you don't have to. Okay, first thing of all, you've got your little bit of cord to go through here, which would be very handy because you don't want to lose it. The two rubber seals, little rubber things, and there's a metal one. All I can assume, there's a bloody camera lens. All I can assume is that these are just spares. Now, this is a gorgeous little piece of kit. It's metal. So, you know, it's like aluminium, so it's nice. The top piece is steel from the feel of it. Now, you've got rubber here in the halfway section, rubber here in the top section. This top piece, you can, because it's threaded, it's similar. If you put it the wrong way up, it'll feel a bit loose. So make sure when you put it back together, it's like that, okay? Now you could, because there is space, put a little bit of tinder in there as well, because there is a nice bit of space inside there. So what you do is, you take it apart, like this. I have just used it. You take it apart, you take out your ferro rod, you take this off the top. This bit on the very end is your metal striky thing, metal bit. Yeah, that piece. So this bit is what you hold on to. And that is your bit of metal, your steel to strike. Okay? So what you do, you then take this and you put it back in here someplace. Where does it go? Somewhere, anywhere. There, screws in there. Right down inside there, it's threaded here, here, and there's a little thread in the middle for your rod to go into. Okay? So that goes in there, that goes back on. So what you end up with is a nice length to hang on to and do your strike. So it works. Can go in my tin with spares. But yeah, that is a really nice bit of kit. I'll put the price up. I don't remember exactly how much it cost. So the prices are constantly fluctuating. So when you want to put it back together, unscrew that, take it out, plop it in there. This can go in there as well. There is space for a little bit of tinder if you wanted to, or a firelighter or something. Then that screws back in there. Now if it doesn't fit snug, then that means that piece is upside down. But that, is that snug or not? Let's have a look. Feels a little bit metal on metal rather than rubber seal. But it's nice that you got a rubber seal. You see that's not screwing up, so it was that way around. The procedure to put it back together is, can't throw it on the floor so you lose it. This is one end up only. So it should fit in so it feels like a rubber is gripping. If it doesn't fit in properly, if it's like metal on metal, it's the wrong way around. So that goes in like that. This goes in one direction. If you put it in thread down, it sticks up too much. Put it in, thread sticking up, then that thread will fit into that hole. Okay? And that way it does it nice and snug. Nice and snug. Squeak, squeak. There you go, nice and snug. So that is it. That is a really nice piece of kit. And let's face it, who doesn't like a nice bit of boot shoelace? I mean, the way I see it is a little bit of cord. It's not a shoelace, it's just a little bit of cord. It's always handy for other things, like making a little washing line or something. It's always handy to have. So that is a really nice piece of kit. For the sake of a couple of quid, plus I've got my original rod that I bought just to make sure it was going to fit and work as a spare. So, I mean, that should last years till I lose it. So, yeah, nice little toy. I mean, survival essential.